Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing well. It's your girl Fola Style, and in this video I'm going to show you how to retwist and style a dreadlock. So if you're interested, keep on watching. Before we get into this video, brother or sister, do not forget to subscribe to your homegirl channel. First step, we're gonna oil the scalp with some Jamaican black castor oil. It's about time for step 2. Using any gel of your choice, you're gonna apply a tiny bit at the root, twist, and use the clipper to hold just like I'm doing. Now that I'm done with twisting the locks, I'm gonna let her sit under the dryer till the gel dries out, and I'll be right back. Here is the finished look. So how did I do from 1 to 10? How would you rate me? Let me know in the comment section down below. And if this video was helpful to you, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe.